What unique fungi grow in Olympic National Park, rainforest campgrounds? Imagine walking through a lush, green forest where tiny, fascinating organisms thrive on decaying logs and tree bases. The rainforest campgrounds of Olympic National Park are home to more than 1,400 species of fungi. That's more than half of all the fungal species found in Washington state, even though the park only covers about 2% of the state. These fungi are vital for keeping the forest healthy and balanced. They help break down dead wood, recycle nutrients, and form partnerships with trees to exchange essential minerals. One of the most interesting fungi here is the honey mushroom, which belongs to the Armillaria group. These fungi can be both parasitic and decomposing, meaning they can kill living trees and also break down dead wood. A special species called Armillaria nepsnona was discovered in the park, showing just how unique these fungi can be. Honey mushrooms have underground networks of mycelium that can stretch 4 acres and last for many years. Oyster mushrooms are another common sight in old-growth forests. They grow on decaying logs and are popular for cooking. These fungi play a key role in recycling nutrients by breaking down tough wood fibers. The bear's head tooth mushroom, which looks like a cluster of tiny teeth or spines, grows on dead or dying trees. It helps decompose wood and adds to the forest's natural cleanup crew. Then there is the chicken of the woods, a bright orange fungus that forms large, shelf-like clusters on trees. It is not only striking but also edible, though you should always be sure of identification before trying to eat wild fungi. Polypore mushrooms are also common. These shelf fungi grow on tree trunks and logs, helping to break down the hardest parts of wood. Hygrophora species are found at higher elevations near snow lines, with unique shapes and colors that add to the park's fungal diversity. These fungi are more than just interesting to look at. They form connections with tree roots called mycorrhizae, which help trees absorb nutrients from the soil. When you visit the campgrounds, you might see fungi growing on fallen logs, at the bases of trees, or scattered across the forest floor. They add to the natural beauty and ecological balance of the area. Knowing about these fungi helps visitors appreciate how complex and lively the forest ecosystem is. It's best to observe fungi without disturbing them because they are essential for the forest's health. Some fungi, like oyster mushrooms, are edible, but many are toxic. Never pick or eat wild fungi unless you are an expert. In the rainforest campgrounds of Olympic National Park, you will find a wide variety of unique fungi that contribute to the lush environment. From rare honey mushrooms to colorful polypores and tooth fungi, each one plays a role in maintaining the forest's vitality. These fungi are a fascinating part of the natural world that makes exploring the park even more special.